Alright guys, it's Ben and Joe, aka Casper and Stopping here from Codenamepizza, and welcome to episode 2 of Myth Busting Mondays. Okay guys, so the first myth that we've got for you today is, can you complete the transit Easter egg before round 5? And yes, we managed to do this on round 4.
The second myth that you guys left in last week's video was, can you get back to the Buddha room using the trample steam from the AK-74? This is in fact true.
Okay guys, so the next myth we've got for you today is, can you buy Who's Who in Who's Who mode? And yes, you can. It just means your downed character disappears and you remain your Who's Who character for the rest of the game. The next myth we've got for you today, guys, is, can you get on top of the balcony section in the MP40 room on Doris? The answer to this is yes.
The last myth that we've got for you today that you guys gave us is that if you get downed and you crawl around, you will actually die quicker than someone who stays perfectly still. Now, before we even did this myth, we thought this was true as well, so we avoided crawling as much as we could. But now we've done it, you can actually confirm this myth is busted.
So that's actually all the myths that we've got for you today, guys. If you've got a myth that you want us to bust, then leave it in the comment section below and it might appear in next week's video. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel to be the latest member of the Pizza Club. Thank you for watching, guys, and peace out.